Hi, this is Michael from Material. MetaMask is a software that allows you to replicate your Material wallet on your computer by importing your seed phrase. From there, you can make transfers to whatever you want. Before moving forward, make sure to read our manual to learn the best security practices when you manage crypto. In this tutorial, we use MetaMask as an example. Install the MetaMask browser extension from scratch. Disconnect your device from the internet. Now you can import your wallet using the seed phrase from the back of your Material wallet. Create a strong password, and after that, you can connect back to the internet when MetaMask tries to connect to the Ethereum network. Now you have your Material wallet replicated on your device. From here, you can send your funds to another address, for example, to send them to another Material wallet, send them to another type of wallet, make a payment, make a gift, or send them to exchange to make a currency exchange. Click on Import Token, search from a list of tokens available, and import USDT. Click on Send and copy and paste the receiver's address or scan the QR code. Now you can send your USDT. Keep in mind to have Ethereum available to pay the gas fees. Wait a few minutes and make sure the transfer was done by checking the balance of your wallet.